Hi everyone and welcome back to Daily English Talk. If you are new here, please click that subscribe button and like this video. I am Emma, and today we are talking about how to talk about daily tasks in English in a clear, natural, and confident way. Daily tasks are the small and big things we do every day, and learning how to talk about them will help you communicate easily in real-life situations. Many English learners struggle when someone asks a simple question like, "What do you do every day?" or "How is your daily routine?" The good news is that you do not need difficult grammar or advanced vocabulary. You only need simple verbs, common expressions, and practice. Let's begin with the morning, because the morning sets the tone for the entire day. Most people start their day by waking up. You can say, "I wake up early" or "I wake up late," depending on your routine. After waking up, many people say, "I get out of bed and make my bed." Then you can say, "I brush my teeth and wash my face." Some people like to take a shower in the morning, so you can say, "I take a shower and get dressed." Breakfast is also an important part of the morning routine. You can say, "I have breakfast at home," or "I eat breakfast before going out." Some people drink tea, some drink coffee, and some prefer juice. You can say, "I drink tea in the morning," or "I usually have coffee with my breakfast." Here's a natural example. Every morning, I wake up at 6 o'clock. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a shower. Then I get dressed and have breakfast at home. After breakfast, many people leave the house. You can say, "I go to work," or "I go to school," or "I leave the house around 8 o'clock." If you use transportation, you can say, "I take the bus," "I drive my car," or "I walk to work." Now let's talk about work and study, because this takes a big part of the day. If you are a student, you can say, "I go to school in the morning. I attend my classes and listen to the teacher. I take notes and participate in class discussions. During breaks, I talk with my classmates. After school, I return home." A student might say, "I go to school at 8 o'clock. I attend classes until the afternoon. When I get home, I rest for a while and then do my homework." If you study at home, you can say, "I study at home. I watch online lessons. I practice English and review my notes." You can also say, "I prepare for exams," or "I work on my assignments." If you work, you can say, "I go to work in the morning. I start work at 9 o'clock. When I arrive, I check my emails and plan my tasks. During the day, I work on different tasks, talk to colleagues, and attend meetings. In the afternoon, I continue working and try to finish my responsibilities." Here is a natural work example. I start work at 9 in the morning. I check my emails, work on my tasks, and attend meetings. I usually finish work around 5. Daily tasks are not only about work and study. At home, we also have many responsibilities. These are called household tasks. You can say, "I clean the house," "I clean my room," "I sweep the floor," "I wash the dishes," "I do the laundry," "I cook lunch or dinner." Some people help their family a lot at home. You can say, "I help my family with household chores." "I take care of my younger siblings." "I prepare food or clean the kitchen." Here is an example. In the afternoon, I clean my room and wash the dishes. Later, I help my family and prepare dinner. Free time is also an important part of daily life. Everyone needs time to relax. You can talk about free time by saying, "I watch TV," "I watch YouTube," or "I watch movies." You can say, "I use my phone," "I scroll on social media," or "I chat with friends." You can also say, "I read books," "I listen to music," or "I go for a walk." Some people exercise in their free time. You can say, "I exercise at home," "I go to the gym," or "I go for a walk in the evening." Here is an example. After work, I relax at home. I watch videos, listen to music, or spend time with my family. Now let's talk about the evening. The evening is usually a calm time for many people. You can say, "I have dinner in the evening." "I eat dinner with my family." After dinner, I relax, talk with my family, or watch TV. Some people use the evening to improve themselves. You can say, "I study English in the evening." "I practice speaking." "I review what I learned during the day." At night, most people prepare for sleep. You can say, "I prepare for the next day." "I check my phone." "I set my alarm." "I go to bed at 10 or 11 o'clock." Here is a full evening example. In the evening, I have dinner with my family. After that, I relax and study English. At night, I go to bed around 10. Using time expressions will make your English sound more fluent and natural. Words like every day, usually, often, sometimes, in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, and at night are very useful. For example, every day I wake up early. Usually I work in the morning. Sometimes I study in the afternoon. In the evening, I relax. At night, I go to bed early. Now let's put everything together in a complete daily routine example. Every day, I wake up at 6 in the morning. I brush my teeth, take a shower, and have breakfast. Then I go to work. In the afternoon, I finish my tasks and return home. In the evening, I spend time with my family, relax, and study English. At night, I prepare for the next day and go to bed early. Talking about daily tasks may sound simple, but it is one of the most powerful skills in English. When you can talk about your daily routine, you can answer questions easily, start conversations, and feel more confident speaking English. The most important thing is practice. Try to talk about your daily tasks every day, even if you speak alone. Describe what you are doing, what you did earlier, and what you will do next. This habit will improve your English step by step. Thank you for listening to Daily English Talk. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and remember that small daily efforts bring big results. See you in the next episode.